Now that we have our quiz created, we have a title for it, we have an interesting picture, we wrote a description, and we changed the theme. And by the way, you can make the theme go away just by clicking it again. We need to add some questions, and today we are only going to focus on adding multiple choice questions. So we're going to choose this blue add question button, and the first one that says choice with this little blue dot is going to be multiple choice, and that's all we're using. So we're going to choose that, and this will pop up. We're going to put our question here. So I'm going to delete the word question and I'm going to type what my question is. So it might be, who was the president of the United States during the Industrial Revolution? Or whatever you want your question to be. Revolution. Maybe try and spell your words correctly if you can. Because this is a multiple choice question, we have to have multiple options for our people taking the quiz to choose from. So all we have to do is click on the options and type in some answers. One of them has to be correct, the rest of them will be incorrect. So we might put Obama, and then we might put Trump. Okay, well, most of the multiple choice questions that we've seen, we have more than two options, right? So we're going to go down to this green add option button with the little plus sign, and we can put in as many options as we want. Roosevelt, add another one. Lincoln, whoever, whatever you want to put in. You can have as many options as you like. I would keep it between 3 and 4. If we decide that we had 5 and we don't like our 5th option, guess what? We can get rid of it by clicking the trash button and it will delete our option. Same thing up here. If we decide we don't need this question anymore, we can delete the entire question. We can also copy the question if we want to ask something very similar. Now, the most important part about this is we have to tell Office 365 Forms which question choice is the correct question choice. So we're just going to choose one for now, and that's the correct answer. So when someone else takes your quiz, if they choose this one, it's going to be graded as correct. Now we're going to add another question. So we're going to, again, click the blue button. We're only worrying about multiple choice questions right now, and we'll type whatever our question is. What were some jobs that people did? You should come up with a better question than that, but just for example. So, teacher, lawyer, blah, 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 add as many as you want. Choose the correct answer. And I can change the order of my questions. If I'm looking at mine and I think, oh, I think that this one would be a better question number 1. Look, all I have to do is click the up button and my questions will change places. Now, once you've got all of your questions written and you're happy with what they say, all you have to do to share this with your classmates so they can take your quiz is click this green share button. And the way that you're going to share it is by choosing QR. We're going to print a QR code. When I clicked this QR button, all of this popped up and we're going to download. It'll come right over here to the download part. When I click on that, this will pop up. And in order to print it, all I have to do is choose File and Print.